Now I'm going to tell you about my waterfall that I built. I am 72 and I built this myself, which means that I carried these heavy rocks and everything myself. I live in the Ozark Mountains, and big rocks are plentiful as long as your back can lift them. As long as the back doesn't lift, as long as your back will allow you to lift them, I should have said. But my waterfall is created on a berm, which is a raised spot in my garden. And because it's raised, it allows the water to run downhill. And the berm was created with a raised bed, and you sort of get a glimpse of the raised bed right there. I actually left the inside of the bed, of this raised bed, empty, and that's where I put this stock pond from Tractor Supply. And you can look at the link that takes you to my blog that will tell you exactly which stock pond that I use and will give you more instructions. And then I added dirt away from the rocks and the raised bed, moving outward from the pond. The rocks are balanced on the wood of the raised bed, and on the outer edge of each rock there's a brick that keeps it from toppling over, and then soil. I've added soil right up to the bricks and the raised bed, so that it actually looks like it's dug into the ground, but I didn't dig it. I built a bed around it. My whole garden is a celebration of raised beds.